Okay, for part two, we're talking about square roots. So I'm going to plot the square root of 31 and 2 pi on the number line. So in my calculator, the first thing I need to do is get the square root of 31. To get square roots, you use second, which is the blue button, and then x squared. And then I can type the square root of 31. So that's 5.567. So I'm going to say that that's between 5 and 6, and it's about halfway between. So here's the square root of 31, okay? And then 2 pi. Well, 2, we use pi as 3.14, so I can do 2 times 3.14 for 2 pi, and that's 6.28. So that's above the 6, okay? And it says which one is less? Well, this one is closer to 0, so square root of 31 is less. The next one, it wants the square root of 15 and pi on the number line. Well, pi is 3.14, so that's going to be over here next to the 3. And then the square root of 15, to get that in the calculator, you do second x squared, 15, and that's 3.87. Okay, well, that will be a little bit closer to 4, so that's the square root of 15. Which one is greater? Well, that would be the square root of 15. Next, it asks for the square root of 99 on the number line. Again, we do second x squared, 99, hit enter. It's 9.9, so 9.9.49. So it's about halfway between 9.9 and 10. There's the square root of 99. Okay, then it says the square root of 71. So second x squared, 71. I get 8.42. Okay, so it's going to be about halfway between 8 and 9. There's the square root of 71. And lastly, we need to plot the square root of 201 and 14.31. So second x squared, 201. And that is 14.17. So that's going to be over here between 14.1 and 14.2. And then 14.431 will be over here between 14.4 and 14.5. Okay. Remember, to get your x squared, or to do your square roots, you hit second, which is the blue button, and then x squared.